ironic that the city of lake, Bangalore, today has no lakes. Most of the lakes have dried up or they are so dirty that you won't feel like going around that lake. Irony is that the city is growing by all means. There are economic opportunities over here, inviting expat professionals from across the country. Naturally, these professionals need a house, an apartment. Many of these professionals coming from smaller towns look for a place which has some sort of serenity, which is closer to the nature, and the biggest attraction of nature in the city is nothing more than a lake. Can there be an answer to this contradiction? Can there be a housing project which is closer to the lake, which is around a lake, worth calling it a lake? Well, today I am near KR Puram. This is an area between Outer Ring Road and Old Madras Road, and there is a project by Sobha Limited called Sobha Lake Garden. The biggest attraction of this project is the fact that this project is overlooking one of the largest, one of the cleanest lake in the city called Yele Mallappa Shetty Lake. This lake is around 260 acres and the project is spread across nearly 6 acres, having some 597 apartments. In terms of the price point, this is one project which would suit the pocket of most of the professionals working closer to this place, that is Whitefield and Outer Ring Road. Most of the job catchment areas are within a radius of 5 to 6 kilometers. The social infrastructure in this radius is quite decent. International airport is some 45 minutes of drive. Altogether, this is one place, and added to the fact that you have attraction of overlooking the lake, which could attract any home buyer. The beauty of this project is not just the fact that it is overlooking one of the cleanest and one of the largest lake, but the price point. The starting ticket size for 1 BHK is around 50 lakhs and it goes up to 1.45 CR for 3 BHK apartment. If we look at the price point, average price point in the city, this project could be well termed as value for money. What should be the rating of such a high potential project? Well, it's too early for this project to be rated because the project has just been launched. But keeping in mind the kind of potential that this location has, that the project promises to offer, Tractor Realty would like to have a further review of this project, and then only we will be in a position to rate it in terms of its grading. Having said that, this is the kind of project which could inspire any professional in the city, and in terms of the launch to sales ratio, this project should probably beat the slowdown in an otherwise slow moving market. Ravi Sinha, Tractor Realty.